Good morning, one and all. Welcome to the online learning platform at Department of Civil Engineering, BMS Institute of Technology and Management, Bangalore. I am Dr. Rajesh Gopinath and I am along with Mr. Vinod BR, and in today's session we shall be explaining to you the experimental setup, conduction and significance with respect to impact of jet on vanes. Welcome to Fluid Mechanics Lab. So, what are the learning objectives of this experiment? First, you shall be able to understand the properties of a water jet on vanes or obstructions. We shall be able to realize the significance of coefficient of impact on vanes in energy dissipation. Eventually, you will be able to understand the suitable applications of jets in hydraulic machines such as turbines and pumps. Basically, with respect to the conduction, we will be comparing the theoretical and actual forces due to impinging water jet on stationary vanes. These vanes can be flat vane or it can be a hemispherical vane or it can be a inclined vane. So now let us understand what are the basic parts of this experimental setup. Let us start with the sink. Okay, so now you are looking at the sump or the sink which is housing water for this experiment. If you come further below, you can see a pump and a motor fitted along with a valve. Okay, there are three valves which are seen here for varying functions, which will be explained to you when the actual conduction happens. Now let us come to the left of this experiment. You can see the pressure gauge which describes the head at nozzle. Now you are looking at rotameter, which basically tells you the flow rate. This instrument will tell you the flow rate in liters per minute. Okay, now let us look at the other parts of this instrument. So now what you are looking at is wherein we need to start the pump. So you can see the green button which is to start the experiment and the red one to switch off the power supply. Now you will be looking at a device which is below your vane. We are basically looking at the nozzle. Okay, so you can see that below the nozzle there is a blue pipe fitting. So basically this pipe is going to supply the water via the nozzle into the vanes. Okay, now let us come up of this apparatus. Now you can see a weighing machine, a weighing gauge, which basically tells you what is the pressure which is acting upon the vanes. Alright, now thank you for being with us. We shall now continue in the next presentation with the conduction aspect of it.